Hello. Mazal tov. Let's start with your right, step together, step. Step together, step. Yemenai back. Sway and pivot, take your hands. And then we have pose, 1. And smile, okay? And then we're going in, right, left, cross, and turn to your right, okay? Step together, 3 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, sway. Okay? That's it. We're going in, right, left, and then turn to your right. Now we're going to the second part, cha-cha on the line. We have cha-cha, after we rock, cha-cha, rock back, step touch, step brush, and turn to your right. Sit to Yemenite back, left, right, Yemenite right. Now we're going in with your left. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, 1 and 2, clap and clap. All this part is going again when we are facing outside, okay? Sit, 3 and sit, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, let's go out, left and right, 1 and 2, small transition, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're going to the chorus part, turning 2 steps, take your hands up, and then double step, to your left again, 1, 2, 3, go up, and down. Quick and quick and quick, and half. Again, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, to your left, go up, turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Last part. No tomorrow. Now it's okay. Last part, we have cha-cha on the line. Cha-cha, cha-cha, sit, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going in. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, shake, 2, 3 and 4. We dance the dance twice, and then the end, it's a pause. Okay? Yes!